Raw garlic is really good for health with many great benefits, but not everyone can stand its strong taste. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. Those are famous words from the ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine. He prescribed garlic to treat various medical conditions. Eating garlic every day can have a transformative impact on your health, making it a superfood that has been valued for centuries. Although garlic has been used for a long time, we're only now fully understanding its extensive benefits. Whether you're looking to ward off illnesses or enhance your overall well-being, garlic is a potent, natural remedy worth incorporating into your diet. We've identified 8 compelling reasons to include raw garlic in your daily routine, ensuring you experience significant health improvements. Stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll reveal the secret garlic recipe to cure ear infections. You won't want to miss it. 1. Garlic for cough relief. Garlic combined with vitamin C is an effective remedy for soothing rough coughs caused by throat irritation. A hot garlic tea can provide quick relief. Simply chop a clove, steep it in boiling water for several minutes, and add honey or ginger to improve the taste. The calming effect on the throat is immediate, and your digestive system will benefit too. 2. Garlic for killing worms. Garlic is an effective natural anthelmintic, meaning it can expel parasitic worms from the body. The sulfur compounds in garlic, particularly allicin and ajoin, are toxic to many types of intestinal worms, including pinworms and roundworms. Regular consumption of raw garlic can help to eliminate these parasites and prevent reinfestation. It's a safe and natural alternative to chemical deworming agents, making it an excellent choice for those seeking holistic health solutions. 3. Improves sleep quality. Garlic has natural relaxing properties that can help improve sleep quality. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, has a soothing effect on the mind and body, which can help reduce anxiety and promote a good night's sleep. Consuming garlic at night can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. 4. Boosts immune system. Garlic is well known for its immune-boosting properties. Consuming garlic at night can help your body fight off infections and illnesses while you sleep. Its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties can help ward off common colds and other infections, making it a valuable addition to your nightly routine, especially during flu season. 5. Enhances digestion. Garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can aid in the digestion process. Consuming garlic at night can help your digestive system function more efficiently, reducing issues such as bloating, gas, and constipation. This can lead to a more comfortable night's sleep and a healthier gut. 6. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic can help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By consuming garlic at night, you can help your body combat inflammation while you sleep, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 7. Supports heart health. Garlic has been shown to have a positive effect on heart health. It can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve blood circulation. Consuming garlic at night can help maintain cardiovascular health by regulating blood pressure and cholesterol levels while you sleep, reducing the risk of heart disease. 8. Detoxifies the body. Garlic has detoxifying properties that can help cleanse the body of toxins and harmful substances. Consuming garlic at night allows your body to detoxify while you sleep, leading to improved liver function and overall health. This can result in clearer skin, increased energy levels, and better overall well-being. How to incorporate garlic into your nightly routine. There are several ways to consume garlic at night to reap its numerous health benefits. Here are some practical tips. Consuming raw garlic is the most effective way to take advantage of its health benefits. However, its strong taste and smell can be challenging for some people. Here's how you can incorporate raw garlic into your nightly routine. Finely chop 1 or 2 garlic cloves and let them sit for a few minutes to release the allicin. Swallow the chopped garlic with a glass of water before bedtime. Mix chopped garlic with a teaspoon of honey to make it more palatable. Consume this mixture 15-20 minutes before bedtime. 2. Garlic milk. Garlic milk is a traditional remedy known for its calming properties. To make garlic milk, take a glass of milk and add 1 or 2 crushed garlic cloves. Boil the mixture for a few minutes and let it cool slightly. Add a teaspoon of honey for taste, optional. Drink this concoction 30 minutes before bedtime. 3. Garlic tea. Garlic tea is another effective remedy for reaping the benefits of garlic. To make garlic tea, boil 3 cups of water and add 3 crushed garlic cloves. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then strain. Add a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon for taste. Drink a cup of this tea an hour before bedtime. 4. Garlic-infused oil. Garlic-infused oil can be used in cooking or as a massage oil to promote relaxation before bed. To prepare garlic-infused oil, crush a few garlic cloves and add them to a cup of olive oil. Let it sit for a few days to infuse. Use this oil to cook your dinner or massage your feet and hands before bedtime. Cure ear infections with garlic. Garlic is a natural remedy that can help cure ear infections due to its potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The allicin in garlic fights off bacteria and viruses that cause ear infections, while also reducing inflammation and pain. To use garlic for an ear infection, warm a few drops of garlic oil and gently place them in the affected ear. Alternatively, you can crush a garlic clove, wrap it in a small cloth, and place it near the ear. This natural approach can provide relief and help speed up recovery from ear infections. Consuming garlic at night can offer numerous health benefits, from improving sleep quality to boosting the immune system and supporting heart health. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends to help them be healthier. Click subscribe so you don't miss our next videos.